While we do not have a native integration with Clay.com yet, currently, if you want to push leads from Clay to people, you can follow this guide. On this screen, you can see that we have a table of leads. Here, if you want to push this lead to people, click Add Enrichment and search for HTTP API. Please note that the HTTP API is only available in higher subscription plans on Clay. Press Add Account to add your People account and give it a name here. Let's say Pipl.ai. Add the API key here. For the key, input x-API-key. For the value, you can copy the API value from the People account. Press Settings. Go to API Access and copy to Clipboard. Paste it back here and press Save. Now you have added the People account here, and you will need to connect to our Add Lead endpoint. For the method, choose Post. For the endpoint, you can paste our Add Lead endpoint here. For the body, it has to be in JSON format. You can copy from our template and paste it here. For the workspace ID, you can get it from your People account. Press Workspaces and copy the ID. Paste it back in the workspace ID. For the campaign ID, press the campaign icon in People. Click the edit icon. Copy the campaign ID here in the URL. And paste it. For the field, skip if in workspace. If you set it to true, it will skip adding lead that already existed in the workspace. For the field, resume camp if completed. It means that if the campaign is already completed, do you want to resume it back to active after adding the lead? If yes, then you set it as true. Now you start the lead field mapping. You can map the columns accordingly. Map the email column. Map the first name. Map the last name. I'll also map the LinkedIn person URL. Also map the LinkedIn company URL. You can also set your custom variables. For example, if I want to import prospect location and company description, I'll just type the name prospect location. And company description here, and I'll map the column. Finally, remember to remove fields that are empty. You are not importing this to people, so remove industry all the way to address line. So these fields would be the field that you want to import to people. Now press Save and run the first 10 rows. If you see 200, it means that it's successfully added to people. If you go to your People campaign, you can see that they have been added. If you click Enrich, you can see that the custom fields are also mapped properly. Next time, you can save this as a template so you can reuse it. Thank you.